Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. You know, when it comes to keeping an eye on things, whether it's your place or your business, you want something that works, right? Something reliable, no fuss. And that's exactly why we're chatting about specific setup today. The Reolink RLK8-1200D4-A with its 4 cameras and the NVR. It's one of those systems that just takes a lot of the headache out of security. And the first thing you're probably wondering is, how good is the picture quality? Well, we're talking about 12 megapixel Super HD resolution at a smooth 20 frames per second. That's super clear. It means you're getting footage that's so sharp, you'll be able to pick out details you've totally missed on lower resolution cameras. That's powered by a great 1/2.49 CMOS sensor and an f4.0mm lens that grabs excellent light, plus you get a really wide 93-degree horizontal field of view, so each camera covers a lot of ground. And for nighttime, these cameras are ready. They automatically switch to infrared night vision, letting you see clearly up to 30 meters in the dark. But the cool part is the color night vision too, thanks to a bright 700 lumen spotlight. So you can get full color footage even at night when something triggers it. Super useful. And here's a handy bonus: two-way audio. That means you can not only hear what's happening through the Reolink app, but you can also talk back through the camera. Pretty neat. But where does all that amazing 12 megapixel footage go? That's where our NVR, the network video recorder, comes in the brain of the whole setup. Now, this NVR makes life easy because it's a PoE system. That means one single cable handles both power and video for each camera. It's truly plug and play. And even better is an 8-channel NVR. Your kit has 4 cameras, but you've got room to expand with 4 more if you ever want to beef up your security later on. It's got all the connections you need on the back for your monitor and USB. But what makes this system smart? We've taken our AI game even further with something truly cool: the new AI Search function. This isn't just about knowing if something moved. It's about being able to describe exactly what you're looking for. Imagine this. Instead of sifting through hours of footage, you can literally type in things like person wearing a red shirt or white car or delivery truck. You can even search for specific animals like deer or cat. The system's AI then goes to work, sifting through your recordings to find those exact moments. It's the intelligent smart alarm features built right in. These cameras don't just detect any motion. They can specifically identify people, vehicles, even pets, so you get accurate alerts for what really matters, instead of false alarms from, say, a leaf blowing by. And here's the best part: there's absolutely no monthly fees for these features. You get all these smart detection out of the box. No subscriptions needed. It's all about getting the right alerts when you need them. Thank you for watching yet another video from Reolink Studio. As usual, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and while you're doing that, consider subscribing. Also, drop a comment down below on what you want to see on our next video. Don't also forget to follow us on our new channel here and our TikTok channels to watch more footage of what our cameras capture. Until our next video, stay safe, stay secure. See you next time.